hello, hello. Thank you, those of you on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Thank you so much. Today I want to and you know, there's one thing that I found real estate activity or a scam, so to speak, right? You find out that a lot of people don't take the necessary measures to do their due diligence. People are trying to cut corners, they're trying to save, quote unquote, and I say save because what happens is you end up paying more. You end up having to buy something else because you've lost that land, or you end up having to pay legal fees trying to get it back, and then you're in court for years and years, and it becomes a long drawn out process. So when you thought you were saving, you were actually paying more in money and time and legal fees, right? And legal counsel even, which is not exactly what you want. So I want to encourage all of you who are tuned in, first of all, to join the first time home buyers in Ghana seminar. It's coming up on December 7th, Thursday at 9 a.m. prompt. Why? Why do you need to join this event? Because I'm going to be talking about the home buying process. It is so important for you to be educated on the process. Why? Number one, if you understand what the process looks like, if you are engaging a seller directly or a real estate agent or just anybody who is selling that property to you and it does not fit into the parameters of what the home buying process should be, then you already know that's a red flag, right? So I'm going to talk about the home buying process. I'm also going to talk about how you can identify red flags. Red flags are so important. Then you know that this is not a right transaction. It is not something that you should put your money in or get involved in. Okay. Another thing is you realize that a lot of people are only familiar with doing due diligence in one area, and that's lands commission. There are 5 areas that you should do your due diligence in to ensure the validity of ownership and to ensure that there's no litigation on that land. Okay, everybody knows about lands commission, but there are 4 other places that I will be touching on, and also our partner M&O Law Consult, the lawyer, will be touching on those areas in detail. Okay, so you want to make sure that you do your due diligence. I can't stress that enough. And also we'll be talking about our escrow services. We are the only real estate company that provides this escrow services, which is protection for both the buyer and the seller. So I'm going to get into detail with the lawyer about that as well. So look, there is a small upfront cost to pay to ensure that one of the biggest investments you'll ever make is secure, is protected, rather than to have all your hard-earned savings or funds locked up just simply because you were trying to pick up your tickets at Nalem clothing store at Mall, Vida Cafe at Accra Mall, East Legon, Labani, and Vida Cafe at Accra Mall, East Legon, Labani, and Airport.